for all the young kayakers here. We also want to thank Dr. Vijay Kumar, who couldn't be here today, who's put this together, and Mr. Rohan Banja for all the work he's done. This is a project of the Reboy Water Sports and Tourism Society Limited, recently champions. The cream of extreme kayaking have come here to Meghalaya. And of course they've not come just to kayak here, so the other rivers in Meghalaya are what draws them to the Kinshi and Bakri, Piva, and rivers like that. That's what draws them to Meghalaya, these extreme waterfalls and excitement. It's a very challenging whitewater in Meghalaya.
We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country, and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really, really high. And this, of course, has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years, but there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently, the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sports that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that, also this could be an area of very high-end tourism, where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.